about to go to work. This is the kind of shots that I want my man or my friends to give me. Morning shots. I look like I just woke up, which is exactly what happened. I'm gonna get my nails done. I was late, so I couldn't get properly ready. And after that, I'm gonna go to the pool. I have more here. So this is how I water my plants. They get the full rain experience, as you can see. Jokes aside, this is the best option I found so far to keep them alive. And it makes sense, right? Like when you pour the water on top of them, because the soil is super dry, it doesn't absorb any of the water. So it just like go all the way to the bottom. I just leave them there for a few minutes and the soil soaks all the water and they keep moist for at least 1 week. So I just water them like once a week, all of them, and they are looking pretty, so I'm happy so far. I don't think I made the proper introduction for this video. I'm not sure if it's even needed since this is like a video journal, but hi, hello, how are you? This week's video has no goal behind other than just like record some of the things I'm doing during the week. I went to Dubai Mall yesterday and I treated myself with some clothes. Actually, I needed them. I love that store. It's called Cotton On. I don't know if that exists outside the UAE. I have no idea. It's not in Spain, so but I love it. I love the fit. It's like Urban Outfitter style. It's cool. I don't know. I like it. And the fit is bravo. So I'm gonna show you what I got. First set, I got this, is it called barrel jeans, I think? I don't know, I loved how they looked. They are fitting my waist. They are not tight around this area, which usually it's what happens with me. And it's not making, you know, like that back, the weird back here, because this part is not tight. I don't know, they are very cute. I like them. So I do need more jeans than this. I need at least a couple more in different colors. Upper part, I got this top. I got it because I actually had it already. My friend, she gifted to me in purple. The fit is good. My back is looking nice as well. I got it in black and brown. Then I got this jacket. It's a brown color. I don't know if you can see it. It has this washed pattern on it, and the fit, it's really nice too. I saw this one on Pinterest. I'm not sure if it's the exact same jacket, and I loved it. I was not expecting obviously to find it there, but like I just got inside the store and I saw it there. I was like, oh, because in the UAE it's being very cold these days, and I have only one more jacket. It's like a denim jacket and it's oversized, so depending on what I want to wear, it doesn't make me a good shape. So I really wanted something that was shorter. This one is cute, it's warm, I can wear it with black or brown, so perfect. This one's clearly they're not ironed, but I feel these are a must in the UAE. It's like cotton, they're very thin, but that for the summer is amazing because they are very fresh, they are very comfortable, and I can make them work with this or even somebody that I have. So the dresses, I am not 100% convinced. Might even think about returning them because I do feel they are too short. Both of them, they are too short. There's two issues in this one. One, it's like it's super see-through, so you can see where my legs end, right? So I don't think this is nice. And the second issue is that here is very windy. The moment the wind hits, I know I will be uncomfortable in trying to hold it. And then the second dress is also short, but the way that the fabric falls, I don't think it's gonna move. I'll show you. So see this one, I feel it's a basic black dress. The shape of it, I'm sure it will allow me to make different combinations. I do think this one is a better option than the other one. So I might keep this one and return the other one. It's short as well, I know, but I know it won't move. That one, I'm a bit scared. Yeah, I think that's it. I got the jacket, the cotton trousers, the 2 tops, the barrel jeans, and the 2 dresses. And I think I will return this one. I hope you enjoyed this one. Okay, so it's time to finish up the calendar. Sorry to say that I won't fully finish it because I forgot I don't have any hole maker. I don't know how you call them. I don't have any. So for now, what I will do is round all the edges with this tool. I will use this option, which will give me a more rounded end, and I will directly stick at least January onto the wall. And once I get the puncher, or however you call that thing, to make the holes here, then I might just do that and add the ribbon. So the way it works is, obviously you need to make sure that all the sheets are aligned, and then you just pick the option that you want. You place the corner here, and voila. So I'm gonna do the same with the other edges. Make sure I always use the same corner and make sure that I put the sheets all the way till the end. Okay, let's do the same here. Okay, cute. Last corner. Okay, I'm really happy with how it looks. It's quite rounded. Some of them, they are not perfect, but I'm happy with the result. Now the question is, where am I gonna hang it? So there's 3 options where I can hang this. Let me show you. So I could hang it in any of the wardrobe doors, maybe the middle. I could also place it here, but I'm scared that when I use the marker, I will stain the wall. Third option could be behind the wall. I could just like cover that mark over here. This could be another option. I might go with this one. I gotta say that I really like it in the door, because if I hang it with the holes and the ribbon and I put all the months together, I get the feeling that it won't make it till the end of the year. They will fall, they will break, they will probably get like wrinkles. So I really think like this is the best idea. I would just like replace it every month and that's it. But I think this is stating the obvious, which is how empty these 2 walls are compared to the rest of the room. Like the windows are all decorated. The issue is these 2 walls. I think the mission is clear. This is what we're gonna do in the next videos. Decorating my bedroom's walls.